let's get straight into it because you've got three stocks to watch. What's the first one? I believe we've got Nvidia here.
Yes, hi Carl, lovely to meet you again. Yes, we have, as you said, we have started to see a little bit reasonable signing that the market has been warming up a bit from last night, which you can see from the Nvidia's shares as well. We have seen a 30% jump for the Nvidia. One of the key notes is that this America's biggest chip makers reporting their earnings this week, which is taking as quite a key highlight for the tech sectors this week. So I was starting from what the basic key points of what the reports say and then what the market has been responding to it and my key takeaway from that. So basically there's two key points from the reports that we have seen for this week. Is the first one is the Nvidia showing a quite strong capability to keep increase their sales and revenue. We have seen a 46% increase in sales from February to May compared to just 12 months ago. And also they have reported a record data center and gaming revenues from there. But on the negative side, that the net income for the company has been almost half, down 46%, and which is mainly because one of the key acquisitions the company trying to acquire the ARM, one of the UK-based chip makers, designers that caught quite many people's eyes for last year, that discontinuing the acquisition, which cost them about $1.4 billion for that, and kind of half the net incomes, quite a strong half from there. And the other one is that the companies expect a revenue to dip for the second quarter, reasoning to the supply issues by the war and the China lockdown. The second factor here, the outlook for the future, kind of big impact on the companies, the confidence the market has. So there's a reason we have seen the 5% drop from the Wednesday after the reports. However, from the yesterday's the recent sentiment has bring the markets, the share price for the companies back about 13%. So I think from my perspective, I think from what the market has responding to the company shares, that is showing quite an encouraging or like an uplifting signs for the market, that for my interpretation from that is the market has been looking over or looking past the near-term trouble for the company and now more confidence for the outlook for this the biggest chip makers. So what I perspective from that is that I think there's good reasons for the market to choose to be more optimistic about these companies. For the reason being is the first, this is the one of the biggest chip makers, and especially for the AI services, crowding services they're providing, that has been given them the potentials to increase the shares and increase the sales and revenue at the speeds they enjoy at the moment. So if just looking for the charts here, so obviously the company, the share price has been almost half for the past 2 months, starting from 282 back in the April, and now it's roughly sitting around $169. And but one of the key positive signs I see from the charts here, you can see it's jumping above the key trend lines and it's not scratching on the 20 days moving average, which I'll take it as quite a at least a near-term bull sign for the Nvidia's share. And looking for the charts, you can see the next targets I would expect the company to achieve is roughly about the at $183. That will be something that I think is more achievable for the company for next couple of days or maybe next week. Before that, it keeps challenging the up level at $197. And on the flip side, I think the low levels that have landed on this month in May, about $162 will be the key support for the price in the near term. But also more importantly is the trend line here will be the key support for the price to moving forward.